Welcome to JK World. Why are there not more people talking about the joy of homegrown happiness? There's something truly magical about growing your own food. It's not just about the end result, the fresh produce you get to enjoy, but also about the entire process. From the moment you plant the seeds, you embark on a journey filled with anticipation and wonder. Imagine stepping out your back door and plucking a juicy tomato still warm from the sun. The vibrant color, the firm yet tender texture, and the burst of flavor that dances on your taste buds. It's an experience that store-bought tomatoes simply can't match, or snipping fresh herbs to elevate your dinner to new heights. The aroma of freshly cut basil, rosemary, or thyme can transform a simple dish into a gourmet meal. It's these small, everyday moments that make home gardening so rewarding. Home gardening is a journey of connection to nature, to fresh flavors, and to the satisfaction of nurturing life from tiny seeds. Watching those seeds sprout and grow into thriving plants is a reminder of the incredible power of nature and our role in it. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or just a sunny windowsill, you can experience the joys of gardening. Even the smallest space can be transformed into a green oasis, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and reconnect with the natural world. It's a chance to reconnect with the earth, get your hands dirty, and witness the miracle of growth firsthand. The feel of the soil, the smell of the earth, and the sight of new life emerging from the ground. These are experiences that ground us and bring a sense of peace and fulfillment. And the best part? It's easier than you might think to cultivate your own little patch of paradise. With a bit of patience, some basic knowledge, and a willingness to experiment, anyone can become a successful gardener. So if you've ever dreamt of biting into a sun-kissed strawberry picked straight from your garden, or filling your home with the aroma of fresh herbs, now is the perfect time to begin. The journey of gardening is one of learning and discovery, and the rewards are plentiful. Let's embark on this rewarding journey together, one seed at a time. With each seed we plant, we cultivate not just a garden, but a deeper connection to the world around us, and a greater appreciation for the simple joys of life. Every garden needs a good foundation, and it all starts with the right location. Most vegetables and flowering plants thrive in sunlight, so aim for a spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Don't worry if you're short on space. Even a small balcony or a sunny windowsill can be transformed into a thriving garden. Consider vertical gardening techniques, using trellises or hanging planters to maximize your growing area. Think outside the traditional garden box. Repurpose old crates, barrels, or even an old wheelbarrow into charming planters. With a little creativity, you can create a garden that's as unique as you are. Starting a garden is an adventure, and like any good adventure, it's best to begin with a plan. Choosing the right plants for your space and skill level is key to a successful and enjoyable gardening experience. For beginners, it's wise to start with easy-to-grow varieties that are relatively low maintenance. Herbs like basil, mint, and chives are incredibly rewarding and add a burst of flavor to your dishes. If you're looking for a splash of color, consider planting flowers like marigolds, zinnias, or cosmos. These cheerful blooms are not only beautiful but also attract beneficial pollinators to your garden. And for a taste of homegrown goodness, try your hand at growing easy vegetables like lettuce, radishes, or cherry tomatoes. Before you dig in, gather a few essential tools to help you along the way. Having the right tools can make all the difference in your gardening experience, making tasks easier and more enjoyable. A sturdy trowel and hand rake are perfect for planting and weeding. These tools help you break up the soil, making it easier to plant seeds or seedlings and remove unwanted plants. While a watering can or hose with a gentle spray nozzle will keep your plants hydrated, it's important to water them consistently. Proper watering ensures that your plants receive the moisture they need to thrive, especially during dry spells. Preparing the soil is crucial for healthy plant growth. Good soil preparation can lead to stronger root systems and more vigorous plants. Start by removing any weeds or grass from your chosen area. Weeds compete with your plants for nutrients and water, so it's essential to clear them out before planting. Then loosen the soil with a garden fork or spade. This step helps to aerate the soil, allowing roots to penetrate more easily and access the nutrients they need. Amend it with compost or other organic matter to improve drainage and fertility. Compost enriches the soil, providing essential nutrients and improving its structure. Good soil is the foundation of a thriving garden, so take the time to nurture it. Healthy soil leads to healthy plants, which are more resistant to pests and diseases. Consider having your soil tested to determine its pH level and nutrient content. Soil tests can provide valuable information about what your soil needs to support plant growth. This information will help you choose the right amendments and fertilizers to create the ideal growing environment for your plants. By understanding your soil's specific needs, you can tailor your approach to ensure the best possible results for your garden. Section 5. Planting the seeds of your homegrown oasis. Now comes the exciting part, planting. Whether you're starting from seeds or seedlings, always refer to the instructions on the seed packet or plant label for specific planting depth and spacing guidelines. Water your newly planted garden gently but thoroughly, ensuring the water reaches the roots. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot and other problems. It's best to water deeply but less frequently, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Mulching around your plants with organic materials like straw, wood chips, or shredded bark helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. It's a simple step that can make a world of difference in the health and productivity of your garden. Section 6. Nurturing your garden to life. Once your garden is planted, it's time to shift your focus to ongoing care and maintenance. This is where the real work begins, but also where the magic happens. Consistent care will ensure that your garden thrives and remains healthy throughout the growing season. Regular weeding is essential to prevent unwanted plants from competing with your vegetables and flowers for nutrients, water, and sunlight. Weeds can quickly take over if left unchecked, so make it a habit to inspect your garden beds frequently. Keep a close eye on your plants for any signs of pests or diseases. Early detection is crucial because it allows you to address issues before they become severe. Look for discolored leaves, holes, or any unusual spots that might indicate a problem. Early detection is key to preventing widespread problems. By catching issues early, you can take swift action to protect your garden and ensure that your plants remain healthy and productive. If you do encounter issues, research organic pest control methods or consult with your local nursery for advice. There are many natural solutions available that can help you manage pests without harming beneficial insects or the environment. As your plants grow, they may require support. Tall or heavy plants like tomatoes or beans often need stakes, cages, or trellises to keep them upright and prevent damage from wind or the weight of their fruits. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to keep them upright and prevent damage from wind or heavy fruits. Proper support not only helps the plants grow better, but also makes harvesting easier. Regular harvesting of your fruits, vegetables, and herbs encourages continued production and allows you to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Harvesting at the right time ensures the best flavor and quality, and it also signals the plant to produce more. Finally, don't forget to compost plant waste and add organic matter back into your soil. This enriches the soil, providing essential nutrients for the next growing season and promoting a sustainable gardening practice. Section 7. DIY Delights, Crafting Your Own Garden Gems. Gardening is a wonderful opportunity to tap into your creative side. Why not add a touch of whimsy and personality to your outdoor space with some DIY garden projects? Upcycling and repurposing materials is not only budget-friendly, but also adds a unique charm to your garden. Transform old pallets into vertical herb gardens, paint tin cans in bright colors to create whimsical planters, or repurpose old tires into raised garden beds. Let your imagination run wild. Creating your own garden decor is a fun and rewarding way to personalize your space and showcase your unique style. Get creative, experiment, and most importantly, have fun with it. Section 8. Reaping the Rewards, a Harvest for Body and Soul. The benefits of gardening extend far beyond the bounty of fresh produce it provides. As you immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and sense of nature, you'll discover a sense of peace and tranquility that washes away the stresses of daily life. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can reduce stress levels, improve mood, and boost overall well-being. The act of gardening itself is a great form of exercise, providing a gentle workout for your muscles and improving flexibility. And of course, there's nothing quite like the taste of fresh, homegrown food. Knowing exactly what you're putting into your body and where it came from is incredibly empowering and contributes to a healthier lifestyle. Section 9. Time to grow, unearth your inner gardener. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the wonderful world of home gardening. From finding the perfect spot to nurturing your plants and reaping the rewards of your labor, starting a small garden is a journey filled with joy, discovery, and delicious possibilities. Remember, gardening is a learning process. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn as you go. Embrace the journey and, most importantly, have fun. Now it's your turn. Take that first step, plant those seeds, and watch your garden flourish. Unearth your inner gardener and discover the incredible rewards of cultivating your own little patch of paradise.